I'm Sucheta Dixit,
I'm Vijay.
and we have been living in this house for like about 20 years. And last year we just decided, okay, we want to renovate our kitchen and the family room. And this is being really a big area. So we were just thinking whom to appoint now. And we had seen the kitchen decor showroom, and we went there, and then the options which they had and all the you can say the layouts, we were really impressed. Right?
There were about like 2 floors, and the
Yeah,
staff was
and then
very cooperative or in explaining what each of this layout means and what the features are there in that.
so our experience was really very good. Staff was very cooperative, meaning
And
we
they gave a
really
lot of ideas also. Like we had some ideas or themes in our mind.
correct.
And the main intention was whatever we do, our kids or the next generation has to like this.
She was very patient to accommodate
especially.
all
our
changes.
suggestions.
Meaning we made her change.
The whole staff, I would say, right from design, marketing, all the way up to the execution, right? They are very cooperative, approachable, and willing to listen to the changes or the suggestions that we are giving. Because you guys know the things, we have done it at multiple places. We are doing it for the first time probably, right? So we may have some ideas, but then whatever we are talking, it's based on what we have seen at many places or in India or outside. So they were trying to kind of understand that and implement it or incorporate those in the design or in the execution. I would say right from Chaudhary sir to all the way up to the carpenter or anybody, painter, they are very, very good, very approachable and accommodative, I would say.
They made sure it is done to our satisfaction, and I would say design part was one, all that.
Most
and
important
then
is the execution.
Yeah, so execution also happened exactly the way it was presented to us. So overall experience was good. We are very happy. So I think we will recommend kitchen decor, definitely.
Definitely to our friends or in our circle.
Yeah.